Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle has currently done 17,749 miles and it's finished in the colour Decuma Grey. It sits nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This RAV4 also features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. To the rear here, the convenience continues as you have a powered tailgate which you can open and close with just the push of a button. Taking a look in the boot, you will find 580 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,690 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. To the left of your steering wheel here you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you'll find your adaptive cruise control. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to your eCode data. There's also your driver assist display, audio. You also have trip data and your charge for the hybrid system. There's also your settings, including your lane departure warning system, pre-collision warning system and blind spot monitoring, features that make you feel much safer and secure when you're on the go. Centered in the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You do have your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. There's also your apps. You've got in-car with Toyota Online and Smart Device Link apps. You've got info here with your energy monitor. There's also trip information and your trip history. You've got setup here with your different system and vehicle settings. The system does come with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can pair your smartphone up to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts, and even use compatible applications from your phone such as Maps and your music streaming services. The system also features built-in navigation. This RAV4 comes with front and rear parking sensors and a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below from the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. You've also got heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the centre console you've got your USB point, 12-volt socket, your automatic gear selector, electronic handbrake and driving modes.